When friends and family gather for a party, it always turns into a chaotic mess everywhere. But no worries, ProScenic WashVac F20 wet and dry vacuum cleaner can handle it all. The WashVac F20 has the largest water tanks in the market. Thus, you can clean the whole house without needing to refill. The F20 can vacuum and wash at the same time in 15 kPa large suction. Both wet and dry messes can be easily cleaned. Its composite roller brush can do multi-surface cleaning without leaving scratches and damages. The brush head adopts double narrow edge design, making it possible to reach and clean the edges and corners. With the help of infrared sensor, F20 can precisely detect any mess. Want to know the real-time operating status? See the LED display screen. No matter how long you have to clean, you can handle the F20 effortlessly all the way thanks to its self-propelled design. After cleaning, simply click Self-Cleaning button to get the roller brush self-cleaned and odor-free. Then remove the detachable battery to charge separately. Enjoy an easy life with ProScenic WashVac F20.
Join us on an immersive journey to explore NovaBot. With its panoramic HD camera and NovaVision system, NovaBot is easy to set up. With just a tap on your phone, it's ready to go. No perimeter cables are needed. NovaBot sets up virtual boundaries, seamlessly navigating any shaped lawn. With CoreMind self-planning algorithms, NovaBot automatically mows your lawn for a uniform, parallel, and manicured look. Edges are cut, fences are detected and avoided. A high-capacity battery and a 5-TOPS computing chip have made NovaBot a tough machine for top performance. Easy to adjust cutting height, NovaBot can mow areas of your lawn at different heights based on lawn conditions. Its powerful brushless motor and off-road tires deal with any tough terrain and easily climb 23.5-degree slopes without compromising performance, even on wet grass. NovaBot moves freely between separate lawn areas. Aora technology quickly detects obstacles ahead of time and plans its avoidance path. NovaBot immediately detects children, pets, and even Rubik's Cubes. It automatically stops when people approach it. NovaBot is so quiet you won't even notice its presence. When it's time to recharge, NovaBot returns to its dock and then picks up mowing where it left off. Waterproof and washable, NovaBot cleanup is a cinch. And when it starts to rain or the mowing is done, NovaBot heads back home to its dock. NovaBot's unique surface-level camera provides surveillance in your yard with security monitoring.
Pilot the NovaBot to patrol the backyard.
Guard your yard and receive photo alerts if an intruder enters your yard when you're asleep or away. Pair it with other smart home devices. NovaBot is built to revolutionize lawn care. Now sit back, relax, and enjoy the journey with NovaBot.
"75 years ago, a gentleman named Edward Lowe invented cat litter. And about 2 decades ago, companies came up with the modern smart toilet. So you can enjoy a less hands-on washroom experience. For some people, it's probably one of the greatest inventions of the 20th century. But what if these two inventions meet each other and have a baby that could liberate you, so you can spend more time doing what you love? Meet Chobox, the most refined automatic smart litter box designed for cats of all sizes and for true cat lovers. For starters, the Chobox has been thoughtfully designed for cats of all ages and sizes. The half-open design allows large cats to get in and do their business comfortably. Once your cat finishes its business and leaves the chow box, the gravity sensor detects it. The chamber will perform a full 180-degree rotation that scoops up the clumps and holds the clean litter temporarily. Gravity then leads the clumps to the waste chamber. UV light and an ozone generator begin the sanitation process, drastically reducing the risk of parasites contaminating the cats or humans. So that the area around the litter box is no longer a death zone for our noses. The cleaning can be set to automatic, periodic, or manual, both on the unit itself and through the ChowBox app. The app may remotely control ChowBox and modify cleaning settings. We even plan to make it generate reports that would allow you to monitor each of your cat's toileting frequencies. For the multi-cat family that replaces litter more often, ChowBox also supports full litter replacement. The upper chamber is fully dumped with a single push of a button for brand new litter. Of course, safety measures are a high priority. The IR sensors and weight sensors constantly monitor what's going on in and around the ChowBox. During the cleaning, whenever ChowBox detects any weight change or slight movements near its proximity sensors, the cleaning and rotation will immediately stop. After all, to truly be a smart pet product, nothing is more important than safety. Am I right?
So when can I expect to get this?
Great question. The answer is, it's almost ready. ChowBox has gone through multiple phases of design, redesign, and prototyping. We're just about to start mass production. At this stage, we really appreciate the support from you and the many other cat owners around the world to help us make manufacturing go faster. Every ChowBox will go through fine assembly and rigorous quality control before reaching your door. We expect the shipping to happen soon after the success of this campaign. We are confident that you will like this smart, convenient, and modern, sleek-looking Smart Kitty toilet. Thank you for supporting ChowBox.
It's time to break up with your paper towels. The convenience we have grown to love has a dark side. In fact, if every household in the US used just one less 70-sheet roll of paper towels, that would save 544,000 trees each year. And that's without the damage to your wallet. On average, Americans spend $5.7 billion a year on paper towels. That goes straight into the trash. And now you can finally spare your gifted kitchen towel from Mom from cleaning undesirable messes. That's why we came up with Yowl. This reusable towel system set a new standard for all the swipers, wipers, cleaners, and everything in between. So good, it will have you saying,
Yowl.
Durable, reusable towels created with you in mind, designed to make life simple and always be convenient. Yowl helps you create a sustainable future. The patented dispenser keeps things simple. Use, collect, and clean. Yowls are machine washable, providing a truly sustainable alternative to single-use paper towels. Refill your Yowl without folding or tucking. It's that easy. Did you know if you washed your 40 Yowls 100 times, it would equal 4,000 uses? A standard roll of paper towels has 44 sheets. That means you'd need to purchase over 90 rolls of towels to match one set of Yowls. That's a lot of towels. Free yourself from the never-ending paper towel runs. Save money and the future. Give it a try, and pretty soon you'll be saying,
Yowl.
Back Yowl now on Kickstarter.